Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a PDF viewer right onto your Wix website. It's quick, it's easy, and it really looks professional. Whether you want to showcase a menu, a brochure, or an informative white paper, by the end of this tutorial you'll have a fully interactive PDF embedded on your site, and your visitors will be able to view it without ever having to download a file or leave your page. So let's dive in. Alright, first things first, make sure you're logged in and have your Wix web design open. This is where all the magic happens. If this is your first time navigating the Wix editor, don't worry, Wix's interface is super intuitive, and I'll walk you through each move step by step. The next thing you need to do is add a section to your page. In Wix, sections basically act like building blocks. They help organize your content and make sure your PDF viewer sits nicely on the page, not just sort of floating around. So look for the option to add section. It's usually on the left sidebar. Click that and choose where you want this PDF viewer to appear. You might want it right up near the top if it's a focus of your page, or maybe tucked into the middle if it's secondary information. This part is totally customizable. Now here, where the real magic happens, you're going to search for a PDF viewer. Click the search button. It's often represented by a little magnifying glass at the top of your editor. Type in PDF viewer. Wix has a built-in app for this, so you don't need to hunt through a ton of third-party widgets. Just type that search term and you'll see the option pop up. Once you spot the PDF viewer in the results, go ahead and click on it. Adding it to your site is as simple as one click. Wix will automatically drop it into the section you just created. It's almost like playtime, dragging and dropping things just where you want them. Take a moment to adjust the placement or size so it fits the look and feel of your site. You can always move or resize it later, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first go. Next up, you'll see an option to upload PDF. This lets you add your own document for visitors to view. Click that button. You'll be prompted to add a file. Basically, select which PDF you want people to see. This might be the part where your computer takes a moment to open your File Explorer, so just give it a few seconds if things pause. Now look for your PDF file. Maybe it's that menu you just finished designing, or your latest resume if you're building a business portfolio. Once you find it, click Open. Wix will upload your document and immediately embed it in the viewer on your site. If your PDF is a little large, give it time to finish uploading. You'll know it's done when you see it show up in the viewer. And it's really that easy. You've now got a fully functional PDF viewer on your site, which keeps your visitors engaged and gives them instant access. If you ever want to swap out the document, maybe update your menu or add a new portfolio piece, just repeat the upload steps. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps out a lot. If you have any questions or you get stuck anywhere in the process, please drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward Wix tutorials and web design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.